everybody, what you see here is a vintage Anita Perez doll, and she is in really rough condition. Her face is extremely dirty, her hair is matted, it looks like it's been cut, her eyes a little off center, and she's just overall dirty. The main issues, of course, being the hair and the face. So I'm going to see today if I can save her and restore any of her beauty. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, because this hair is, like I said, it's completely, it looks like it's heat damaged at the end. It's been cut short. It's the plastic or the vinyl is too hard to reroot. So I'm going to cut all this hair off. I've got an old towel laid out here, and I'm just gonna get rid of it. And then I have so many wigs for my other dolls, I should be able to find a suitable wig for her. So, sorry Anita, you're gonna have to lose all your original hair. Next, I'm going to use this bit of magic eraser to clean her up and wash her. I like to dampen it first, and then I'm just going to carefully go over her face, being especially careful on the painted areas, because those will come off the magic eraser. And you see she's got an orange spot, so I'm going to see if I can get that off, and it's gone. Might have got a little bit of eyebrow, but really careful on these cheeks because they're nice and rosy. Re-dampen it, or rinse it really so it's not dirty. Going over and over. Chin. She's got a little bit of a white spot here. Alright, very gently, not applying much pressure at all. Going around the contours of her nose. And this cheek. Harder on the tip of her nose and above her lip there. Get that out. And back up to the top of her head. And then the sides. And I think that'll do it. A little spot here. So I'm going to carefully rinse, trying to avoid her eyes. If it gets in her eyes, it'll be okay, but just try to avoid that. Okay, now I'm going to get the top of her head. Avoiding those eyes. Alright, so now her face is cleaned up. Dry it off. And she's got some fine scratches in the face that I'll never be able to get out. I would have to have a little bit finer of a micro mesh or something to try to buff that out. But maybe if I get her a wig with some bangs, we can cover that up. All right? Okay, so here is Anita wearing an original Anita Perez fashion, which I hand washed in Woolite, and it's still a little yellowed in the white parts, but it looks a lot better. As far as her hair and face, they're totally clean now. This wig is a 10-11 wig that I was able to use for her. Now it actually belongs to another one of my dolls, but I don't think she minds that Anita borrows it for a minute. And so I didn't clean all that fuzz off of her hair after I cut it off. And it kind of works because it kind of helps secure the wig in place. So it gives the wig something to grip to. And the wig is pretty sturdily on there. So I think it worked out well. So this is a method that you could use for a quick fix for a doll, instead of, you know, something that's going to take days and days and days, which a reroot for me takes days and days and days. And this doll, like I said, the vinyl's so hard, I don't know that you even could reroot it. But I think she looks great. And I think this is a success, and she has successfully been rescued. Have you ever rescued a doll before and totally fixed them from the brink of destruction, I guess you could say? If so, leave me a comment below and let me know. And if you have any questions, let me know. And as always, thank you very much for watching.